Namaskar. On the eve of New Year 2021, I wish all our customers, stakeholders, and well wishers a happy new year. I am very confident that the year 2021 will bring happiness and prosperity to all of us. 2020 has been a tough year. You will agree with me that this year 2020 we will never forget in our life. COVID impact has been extremely painful across the globe, and our country is no exception. And we have seen how the normal life has been disrupted because of pandemic. It is said that when we face the tough circumstances, the resilience and the capability to come out of that are always tested as an individual or as an organization. And that is what we all have seen in the year 2020, whereupon our capability we have enhanced to live through this kind of a crisis, and also we have developed resilience to sustain whatever impact is created by the COVID. This has also given opportunity on the other way to live with the families, because in many areas the people started working from home, which has given an opportunity to live with the family, and it has also given an opportunity to satisfy our daily needs by digitalizing or through digital mode. While this has been the impact of COVID on all of us, from the Punjab National Bank side, there has been an enhanced responsibility in terms of amalgamating two banks, namely Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India with us. When we have embarked upon our journey of amalgamation, we have identified three main milestones or challenging areas. One being the business integration, which was required to be done effective from 1st of April 2020, as all the three banks have become one bank from that date. Accordingly, Punjab National Bank has achieved in providing unified products and services to all the customers of three banks effective from 1st of April 2020. Besides, we have also provided anywhere banking services among these banks, of course, to an extent of limited financial and non-financial transactions. The second important factor was human resource integration. Entire business model, entire organizational structure combined together to meet the requirements of the customers. Then the third element of integration embarked upon the database integration of all the two banks, that is Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India with Punjab National Bank. I am really happy to share with you that we have migrated the database of Oriental Bank of Commerce at the end of November, and we have migrated the database of United Bank of India at the end of December. Today, while we are entering the new year, we have a combined database to cater to the requirement of all our customers, the seamless services, including the anywhere banking and digitalized services to the customers of the combined entity. With respect to reaching out to the customers, more importantly, when the pandemic has created tremendous impact on reaching out to the people physically, we have also embarked upon reaching out to them the moment we learned that the pandemic impact has receded. We have taken initiative in reaching out our customers in rural and semi-urban areas when we have realized that the economy in rural and semi-urban has been coming very fast post-pandemic. The initiative has been Village Contact Program. We have completed almost 25,000 such programs by reaching out to 25,000 villages. Similarly, we have also modeled our organization to create last mile connect and bring in efficient turnaround time. We have our commitment from the Punjab National Bank, entire Parivar, to enhance the customer relationship, customer satisfaction, and take more initiatives in terms of digitalizing our areas. Once again, on behalf of the entire Parivar of Punjab National Bank, I wish all our customers, stakeholders, and well-wishers a happy and prosperous new year for 2021. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.